Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to take two scanned images and put them into one file. Now, as you can see here, I actually already have the images in the file. In Photoshop, in order to get a new image in somewhere, all you actually have to do is click and drag it. So for example, go to my desktop, go to my converted images, and I can click and drag this one and just drop it right in and place it. Now, this was one image out of a magazine that I saw, but it's awfully large. So I had to scan it in two parts. Now what you can do is select the separate layers and just move them around. And line them up as best as you can. That's pretty dead on. So now what we can do is crop and crop out the transparency in the background. Hit this check button. And now it looks flawless. So what I will do is go to layer 1, right click, and go to merge visible. And now it's one unified object. My name's Zach, and I think we pretty easily just put those two scanned images into one file. Thanks for watching.